Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add a signature on Gmail. First thing first, log into your Gmail account and click the gear icon on the top right of the Gmail interface. Now select See All Settings. Now in the Settings menu, scroll down to Signature. Click Create New to add a new signature, and in the text box, type in your signature information like full name, job title, company name, or contact info like phone, website, etc. Now use the built-in rich text editor to style it. You can change font size, change text color, or even font style. Under the signature defaults, choose which signature appears for new emails or for replies or forwards. Scroll down, then click Save Changes, and then your signature is ready. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.